Hello friends. Usually okra fry turns out to be more sticky and slimy. So many people add a lot of oil, which is not at all a good option. Thus here I am to help you with making delicious okra fry with less oil. You can enjoy with rice, roti, etc. The best part is it cooks faster as well. Absolutely a big time saver. Let's get started. As you know, okra gets slimy with sticky gel from its soluble fiber, which is actually great for our gut health. Thus you can see strings while cutting on knife and chopping board as well. So we need to break the sliminess for good texture without losing fiber. First start by washing 1 pound okra. Drain it for few minutes. Then pat dry with cloth or kitchen napkin to take off excess moisture. As sliminess increases with added moisture and heat. Instead of slicing one by one, align 3 to 4 okra together and trim the ends. Then start slicing into medium-sized pieces. Gets done faster. Then I'm going to air fry the okra. Place okra pieces on air fryer tray in a single layer. Air frying okra helps to remove excess moisture and cook partially. Thus it saves cooking time on stove top. Air fry at 360 Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. Mix halfway. Air fryer runs for 7 minutes in total with 4 minutes of preheating time. As you see, okra will be partially cooked and moisture free. So you can save time by air frying okra and frying onions on stove top at the same time. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add half a teaspoon cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon mustard seeds. Once these begin to splutter, add 2 finely chopped chili. Next add 2 crushed garlic and 3/4 cup chopped onion. Then add more than quarter teaspoon turmeric, quarter teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon coconut powder to enhance taste and reduce stickiness. Saute everything well until onions are cooked half. Now add air fried okra to the pan. Add 1 teaspoon salt and saute for 3 to 4 minutes. As you see how nice and non-sticky okra is. Let's add tomato for enhancing okra taste and to blend well. Cut the tomato into finely chopped pieces. Then add half a teaspoon chili powder. Cook for another 5 minutes to blend everything well. Add half a teaspoon coriander powder at the end. This way you don't need much oil. Cooks faster, comes out perfect and tasty. As you see, okra fry is totally non-slimy with perfect texture and tastes absolutely delicious. Hope you like my tips and recipe. See you again with many more tips along with healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.